Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates.
Let's look at the read Steinberg cells and focusing on the variants. So here in the corresponding subtypes of Hodgkin's lymphoma, there is a lacunar variant. Lacunar means there is a NS, there is a nodular sclerosis. Then comes the mononuclear variant. So this is associated with the mixed cellularity and the lymphoid rich. It is lymphoid rich. Next is the pleomorphic. The pleomorphic or the necrotic and the mummified. The mummified variant, that is the lymphocyte depleted. The mononuclear, it includes the lymphoid rich. The pleomorphic is the lymphoid depleted. Next is the LNH, the lymphohistiocytic, the popcorn variant. So this is nothing but the lymphocyte predominant.
To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.